Hi, this is Frank Losciavo. I'm going to show you how to download Office 365 to your personal computer from your Ohio University Catmail account. The first thing you need to do is log in to Catmail. catmail.ohio.edu. My username and password have already been entered, so I'm already logged in. Go ahead and click on the gear where you can find your settings. Scroll down a little bit and you'll see an option for application settings and specifically an option for Office 365. Click that. When that opens, you'll see an option for install software. Click that. That'll open up a new browser page. And at that point, you'll see all the different apps that come with Office 365 Pro Plus. My students are particularly interested in PowerPoint. At that point, you can begin the installation process by clicking on Install. That's all it takes.